How to share screen of Opera GX on Discord without black screen. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and tap on the search bar. Now type Opera GX. Now tap on the search icon. Now tap on Opera GX and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on search icon again. Now tap on the search bar and type Discord. Now simply tap on the search icon. Also make sure to update this application to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up Discord on your device. Now select your voice channel. Now swipe upward. Now tap on share your screen. Now select single app or entire screen. Now tap on start. Now select Opera GX. Now tap on Opera GX. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.